Hashim asks, how long does it take to apply for a social security number through the embassy? Hashim, you don't necessarily apply for a social security number through the embassy. If you've got a green card, you order it in the US. There are examples of cases where I have clients who are born in the United States, they're citizens, they leave the United States immediately and they never get a social security number. All of a sudden they're 30 or 40 and they want to come back, or they have plans to come back to the United States, or more likely they would get married and want to get a green card for their spouse. Well, they need a social security number. Now, if you're overseas and going to apply for a social security card while abroad, that process is fraught with difficulty, easily going to take 8-10 months, a year, hopefully not longer, but it could take it. So in those kind of cases, usually we ask clients that they fly into the United States and deal with the local office to be able to apply for their social security number. When they're in the local office, they'll ask them to show proof that we're consistently living overseas. So it's a hard requirement. I couldn't find it in the regulations because they kept asking my clients for it, but they still do. So you have to prove you've been living out of the United States consistently for 20, 30, 40 years. They're not as strict, depends on the officer you're going to get at the Social Security office. But again, when you ask, when you ask how long does it take to apply, I don't know enough about you, I shouldn't be able to answer that. I don't know which scenario you're in. So you really should contact an immigration attorney in private to talk that through. But thank you for your question. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.